Hey kids, good morning. Hope you all are well. So, today is our English class, and in that, we are writing the letters. So, first we will learn the letters. First, we will revise the letters which we have done. Okay? A is for aeroplane, B is for ball, C is for candy, D is for drum, E is for envelope, F is for flower, G is for grapes, H is for heart, I is for igloo, J is for joker, K is for key, L is for leaf, M is for moon, N is for newspaper, O is for orange, P is for pencil, Q is for quilt, R is for ring. Okay, so our today's new letters are S is for sun and T is for tree. So kids, now I will tell you how to write these two letters, that is S and T. Okay, be ready with your pencil and eraser. So kids, first we will learn the things which start from S. S for sun. S for ship. S for sheep. S for spider. S for squirrel. Once again, S for sun. S for ship. S for sheep. S for spider. S for squirrel. Now, next letter is T. T for tiger. T for tent. ये जो टेंट लगा है ना, टेंट का जो बना हुआ घर है, इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? टेंट. T for tent. T for tree. T for tortoise. T for toy. आप सबके पास बहुत सारे टॉयज होंगे, है ना? Once again we will learn. T for tiger. T for tent. T for tree. T for tortoise. T for toy. Now we will write these both the letters. Be ready with your pencil and eraser. So kids, what is this? This is sun. Okay. Now I will tell you how to write letter S. First we will write the capital one and then we will write the small s. Okay. We will start from here. Okay. First take a curve, swing to the back, then come in front and then again swing like this. It becomes S. Okay. Now we will start from middle line. Take a curve like this, swing it back. Then on the other side, swing it like this. It becomes small s. Okay. Now once again, take a curve like this. Then do like this and again swing it back. It becomes capital S. And for a small s, take a curve like this. And then again from here swing it back. It becomes small s. Again for capital S, start from the top line. Take a curve down, swing it back. It becomes capital S. and for a small s same you have to do, but you have to do in these 2 lines only. इन 2 लाइनों के बीच में आपको s लिखना है. So you will write like this. It becomes small s. So kids, this you have to follow till to the last line. Okay? So kids, what is this? This is tree. Okay, the color of the tree is green. That's why we have fill it with green color. Okay, so T is for tree. Now we will write the letter. First we will write the capital one and then the small letter. So first you will draw standing line for capital T and then sleeping line like this. It becomes capital T. Now small t. Start from the top line, make one standing line, and at the bottom you will turn the line like this. You will make a curve like this. Okay, then above the middle line you will draw sleeping line. It becomes small t. Once again kids, standing line and then sleeping line. It becomes capital T. For a small t, from the top line you will draw standing line and at the bottom you will make a curve like this and above the middle line से ऊपर इसको हम ऐसे sleeping line बनाएंगे. It becomes small t. Once again, standing line and then sleeping line. It becomes capital T, and for a small t, standing line down and at the bottom make a curve like this and you will draw a sleeping line. Here it becomes small t. You will follow these letters till to the last line. Okay? So kids, this is all for today. Bye-bye.